Welcome. Today I am with B&O Beoplay H4 headphones, and I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off this device. So as you can see on the right headphone, we can find these 3 buttons and also LED indicator. So to turn off our device, we have to click and hold this button until this indicator just simply disappear. And right now, when we tap once, as you can see, nothing happens, so it means that our device is turned off. To power on, just click and hold until this indicator lights up. And right now we can release. As you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.